Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a website link to your TikTok bio. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first you'll need to get your website link. So you can obviously go to a website that you may own or that you want to promote. And obviously once you get this website you can click on these three dots on the right hand side. You can select copy link. Once you come out of here, click on TikTok and click on your profile icon on the bottom right. Then select edit near the top right. Then near the bottom you should see links, so just click on add. And then at the top it should say website. So again just click on add. And obviously if you know the website you can obviously write it in. But if you've copied a link, just select paste, then just select save on the top right hand side. So when you come out here, you should see the option to click on a link underneath add bio, or if you've had a bio already written on there. So you can just click on that and just click on the link underneath and select open, and then it will bring you to that website. Thanks for watching.